Today we're going to make a delicious white chocolate peppermint flavored popcorn that is delicious, and it makes a great gift too. So we're going to take 3/4 of a cup of popcorn and we're going to put it in our air popper and pop it. Then we're going to take 1 package of white chocolate chips. We're going to melt them in a double boiler system. So I got a little water in there. We're going to heat that up and melt these. While your chips are melting, you can take candy canes or peppermint candies of some kind. Crush them. You can use a food processor. You can use a hammer, however it wants. And then add them to your popcorn. Spread them around. Now that we are nicely melted, we're going to add our peppermint oil. We're going to add anywhere between 2 and 6 drops. I'm going to tend to go for the more. My bowl is hot. We're going to mix that in. Get it throughout the chocolate. We're going to add our chocolate. Stir it up. And then we're going to put it out on parchment paper to cool. So there you have a delicious white chocolate peppermint coated popcorn that is delicious. It makes a great gift. Just put it in little baggies. I have it in a peppermint candy bowl made by just setting out peppermint candies on a piece of parchment on a cookie sheet. Bake it in the oven at 350. This took about 10 to 12 minutes. And then I slid it over and put it in a pie tin to make a round shape. So very easy, different way to dress it up, and you can display it and enjoy. If you found value in this, click like, hit subscribe. We're making more videos. If you like peppermint, check out the peppermint brownie video I just made. I'll link that in the description below.